Today we're unboxing the Honor Magic V6, a premium foldable that promises flagship power, a refined design, and serious battery life, all packed into a sleek folding form. At first glance, the Magic V6 reflects Honor's growing confidence in foldable engineering. The phone doesn't try to look experimental or overly futuristic. Instead, it embraces a clean, professional aesthetic that feels mature and refined. Welcome to my technological world, introducing Honor Magic V6 unboxing and hands-on review. Let's have a look. The Honor Magic V6 is built to deliver flagship-level performance, ensuring that the foldable experience feels smooth and reliable throughout the day. Taking the phone in hand, the Magic V6 feels surprisingly slim and balanced for a foldable. The hinge opens smoothly with a solid, confident feel, and when folded, it feels just like a normal flagship phone, not bulky or awkward. The finish looks premium, with a refined camera module that adds character without feeling oversized. In early use, everything feels fast and responsive. Apps open instantly, animations are smooth, and the software is clearly optimized for the foldable layout, with smart multitasking features that take advantage of the bigger screen. The camera setup looks promising, built to deliver flagship-level photos and stable video. Battery-wise, Honor is clearly focusing on endurance, aiming to give users all-day usage despite the large foldable display. Honor has placed a strong emphasis on durability and ergonomics with the Magic V6. The hinge mechanism, which is the heart of any foldable phone, feels smooth, stable, and reassuring. So this is the fresh news, Honor Magic V6. I hope you like it. Hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thanks for watching.